Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, students. In the last class, we did the first two questions in exercise 4. Now, we are going to do the remaining problems in the same exercise. The next question is, write the following 2011 census state populations in figure. Here, the population of few states are given in number name. For the given number name, we have to write the number. The first one is Punjab. The population of Punjab is given in number name. We are going to write the number for the number name. 27,743,338. By seeing the number name, we can understand the number name is given in international system. Isn't it? Million. By seeing million, we can understand that. So, we have to write the place values first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Up to 10 million, we have to write the place values because we have a 2-digit number in million period, 27. Okay, in million period, we have to write 27. Then 743,000. 743,000. A 3-digit number in 1000 period. 743,000. Then 338. This is ones period. 338. This is the number for the given number name. 27,743,338. Is it clear, children? Can you understand? The next one is population of Goa is given. 1,438,545. For the given number name, we have to write a number. Again, this is in international system. So, we have to write the place values first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Here, in million period, we have only one digit number. So, we have to write up to million. So, 1 million. In million period, 1. 458,000. The 3-digit number in 1000 period. 458,000. Then the remaining numbers in ones period. 545. 545 in ones period. This is the number for the given number name. 1,458,545. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? The next one is population of Kerala is given. 33,406,061. Here again the number name is given in international system. So we have to write the place values first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Here we have a 2-digit number in million period. Shall we write the number? 33 million. In million period, we have to write 33. Then 406,000. 406,000. In 1000 period, 406,000. Then 61. In ones period, we have to write 61. So, in hundreds, 0, 61. This is the number for the given number name 33,406,061. Was it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? The next population of Meghalaya is given 29,66,889. Here the number name is given in Indian system, lakh. By seeing the lakh, we can understand this is Indian system. So, we have to write the place values in Indian system. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, after lakh, then 10 lakh. Here 29 lakh. We have a 2-digit number in lakh period. So, shall we write the number? 29 lakh. In lakh period, we have to write 29. Then 66,000. In thousand period, we have to write 66. Then 889 in ones period. 889. Okay, this is the number for the given number name. 29,66,889. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? The next question is, give the place value of the digit in red in both Indian and international system. We have to write the place value of the digit which is in red color. Okay. First, we are going to write the place value in Indian system. The number is 321650. To write the place value in Indian system, first we have to start with the place values. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 3 is in lakh place. So, the place value of 3 is 3 lakhs. In Indian system, the place value of 3 is 3 lakh. In Indian system, the place value of 3 is 3 lakhs. In number, we can write 3 lakhs. Okay. In international system, the place value of 3 is. Now we are going to write the place value in international system. So we have to write the place values in international system first. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Here in international system, the place value of 3 is 300,000. 300,000. Is it clear, children? In Indian system, the place value of 3 is 3 lakhs. In international system, the place value of 3 is 300,000. Okay, was it clear? Shall we go to the next one? Here, we are going to find the place value of 2. Okay, first in Indian system. Okay, 2, 3, 8, 9, 4, 3, 5. First, we have to write the place values in Indian system. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 2 is in 10 lakh place. So, the place value of 2 is 2 10 lakhs, that is 20 lakhs. That is in Indian system. In Indian system, the place value of 2 is 2 10 lakhs, or we can write in number 20 lakhs. Now we are going to write the place value in international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. In international system, the place value of 2 is 2 million. In international system, the place value of 2 is 2 millions. In number, we can write as 2 million. Was it clear, children? Shall we go to the next one? The next question. Here we have to write the place value of 4. First, we have to write the place value in Indian system. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and 2. So the place value of 4 is lakh in Indian system. The place value of 4 is 4 lakhs. Or in number, we can write 4 lakh. Now, we have to write in international system. So, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Now, in international system, the place value of 4 is 100,000. 400,000 in international system. The place value of 4 is 400,000. Thousands. Is it clear, children? Indian system, that is 4 lakh. In international system, that is 400,000. Can you do the next problem as your homework? Here you have to find the place value of 5 in both Indian system and international system. Do the problem as your homework. Okay, dear? Okay. Thank you. See you tomorrow.